What are the Rally Raid wheels? How are they different to what you get as standard?
So out the shop they come with cast wheels. They're fairly lightweight, but they're just not that strong realistically for adventure riding. So we've developed our own set of heavy-duty spoked wheels. We develop our own hubs and machine them in-house in the UK, laced in the UK, and we also offer tubeless on those as well. Obviously that's quite a big addition for people that are doing the big distance miles or the sort of the cross-country adventures. Having a tubeless rim opens up a whole new range of A, tyre choices, and B, ways of repairing it if you do get a puncture, other than taking your wheel out and putting a new inner tube in it and piercing it.
And obviously they look quite different. I guess having spoke wheels is very much more of the adventure approach than the street approach.
Definitely. I mean, the wheels that we make, we use heavy duty stainless steel spokes. We use nickel plated nipples, so they really are the sort of high end wheels that you'd come to expect on an expensive adventure bike.
I think they changed the look of the bike quite dramatically.
Yeah. Definitely, they're really nice.
Yeah. Are there any elements of the original wheels that you retain? I'm imagining you're going to want to keep your brake discs, etc., etc. You know, is there anything that anyone needs to know about how they swap those over? So
our wheels and hubs are designed to take your OEM discs. The rear hub actually takes your OEM ABS ring as well. With the front, we've provided a ABS ring that's already mounted onto the hub and the wheel when you buy it. So all you have to do is just put your disc on. Really simple, just a couple of nylocks and the OEM disc bolts. You're supplied with some washers as well. In the video you see how these washers are meant to mount on the shoulder of the bolts. And like I said, changing disc over, you just got to be careful. Obviously they're quite high torque bolts, so you don't want to round any, take your time. And that's where good quality tools come in handier as opposed to sort of the cheaper, softer metal tools.
And just make sure you use the right torque settings, I guess.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
And on the rear wheel, there's a cush drive, isn't there? So what do we do with that?
The cush drive, it's literally take it out and just put it straight into our wheel. Everything we've tried to design it to keep as OEM as possible. So the cush drive is just as simple as pulling it off, putting the 3 rubbers into our wheel and then pushing the cush drive in. And then it's the same wheel spaces. We designed our wheels to use the OEM wheel spaces, so it's just a case of taking it out of your wheel and put it into ours.